In the latest example of government officials' support for the president's rallies, the Aydın Provincial Directorate for National Education has asked all students, parents, teachers, and principals to attend an upcoming rally to be held by President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan, who is seen as expressing bias and supporting the ruling party at such events. In a statement sent on Tuesday by Aydın Provincial Director of National Education Pervin to all of the district's national education directorates, Töre requested that the necessary actions to be taken to ensure the attendance of students and their parents, teachers, and principals from secondary schools and high schools of all districts at the rally of Erdoğan, who was to visit the province the next day, on May 27. Mentioning that transportation to the rally site would be arranged, the statement also asked the directorates to send lists of participants to the Provincial Directorate for National Education by Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. at the latest. Upon receiving the request, school principals acted promptly to guarantee the attendance of students, teachers, and parents. Some principals even sent text messages to teachers and parents of students, stating that they should urgently have their names registered. Erdoğan has had a busy schedule of public meetings, sometimes under the guise of inauguration ceremonies, as the June 7 parliamentary election draws closer. Using public events held in different cities as an opportunity to address local residents, Erdoğan implicitly urges people to vote for the ruling party in order to replace the current parliamentary system with a presidential one. Despite an article in the Constitution clearly stating that the president must remain impartial while in office, Erdoğan keeps ignoring concerns about his violation of the Constitution. The major parties have already criticized the partiality of the president and appealed to the Supreme Election Board, YSK, complaining about Erdoğan's political rallies. However, no results came of these efforts. Erdoğan was even recorded in July 2014 while he was prime minister and a candidate for president, vowing that he would not be neutral if elected to the presidency. A president cannot be impartial. No president in this country has been neutral. And I won't be an impartial president, either, said Erdoğan. Government officials help Erdoğan in his rallies. On Saturday, an opening ceremony in Antalya province was organized for Erdoğan to address the local residents. The Turkish media reported that government officials obliged public workers, including teachers, doctors, and other health workers, to attend the president's rally, held in the guise of an opening ceremony. A state hospital's chief physician reportedly urged all of the hospital staff to show up at the ceremony Erdoğan was expected to use to increase the ruling party's votes while de-emphasizing the opposition parties. Similarly, the Manavgat district education director also issued a directive that obliged teachers and school principals in the district to attend Erdoğan's inauguration ceremony. In another incident last week, the governor of Uşak province cancelled permission previously given to the National Alliance and Electoral Coalition of the Felicity Party, SP, and the Grand Union Party, BBP, to have a campaign rally in the Uşak city square. The reason given for the cancellation was that the location was to be used that day for a rally that Erdoğan would hold.